Kia ora, it's Ange from Adventure Horse Trekking, and this is Daph. And many of you met Daph on the trails last season. She joined us on Twin Lakes and the Lake Hawiah trails.
And it was really good fun. We had lots of fun. You would have tried my carrot cake on that trip. And I think we need to look at some new recipes. We might try Annabel Langbien.
So Annabel Langbien books we always use as a source of good yummy stuff, eh Daph?
Yes.
And we've got some new Chealsea Winter stuff coming along that we're practicing on today in the kitchen. And Daph used to run a lot of trails in this area, in the Ruwhakahi area, eh Daph?
With the pony clubs. And we have lots of fun. And always went for about a week.
And a lot of Daph's ideas have actually been threaded into our trekking. So last season it was awesome to have you on the trails, wasn't it, Daph?
Great.
See how that unfolded, all our plotting and our plans. So.
This rhubarb one looks interesting for a dessert.
Rhubarb's always good, eh, Daph?
Yeah, good. All back in fashion again.
Yeah.
That's Lake Rivercoda, and I found some really good cupcakes.
What did you find, Griffin?
White chocolate and strawberry cupcakes.
That looks nice. So we try that one.
Yep.
Good.
And over here is Mount Tarawera.
That looks beautiful, Griffey.
Isn't it?
Did you try those cupcakes already?
Yep.
And what were they like?
Yummies.
Were they?
That's good.
That's a high recommendation.
Yes.
I think that's all we got to say now. We're going to go and do some inventions and have some fun.
Will. Yeah.
Do some testing. So, mate wa, see you on the trail.
See you. Bye-bye.